Hello everyone, I hope you are well. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can optimize your code using ChatGPT. But before starting, did you watch my previous video in which I talked about how do you create a project proposal using ChatGPT? If you are new here, I am Hassan and I post Java tutorials on this channel. If you might be interested in watching those videos, consider subscribing to the channel. Let's start today's video. So first of all, we are going to see a simple example in which an array is iterating and it's adding up all the elements in the array. I'm going to copy this code and notice that we have a larger array. The size of the array is very large. Now I'm going to paste it in ChatGPT and paste it here and ask ChatGPT to optimize the code for a larger array. Let's check what it gives us the answer. And here is our code, which is optimized by ChatGPT. It uses parallel stream to optimize the code and it's very much faster than this code. Let's look at this example. In this code, we are iterating through the array and it's sorting the array. Let's run the program first. Then we will ask ChatGPT to optimize the code. So here's the result. I'm going to copy this and then paste it here. Ask for it to optimize the code. First of all, I'm going to ask that which technique is this code is using and ask time complexity also, and also ask it to optimize the code and see what it gives us the answer. So here we have our answer and it actually uses arrays.sort technique, which is actually a built-in library of Java. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to use a technique instead of this library. Here's our answer and it uses merge sort for solving this problem and its time complexity is big O of n log n, which is very much faster than bubble sort. It converts your bubble sort code into this merge sort code, and now I'm going to copy this to see the result. Let's paste it here and run it. So you can see the result here. This is the same result as our previous result. Now let's look another example of our code. I'm using a built-in linked list library in here. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to convert this built-in linked list Java code to a manually created singly linked list. So I'm going to copy it here and ask ChatGPT to convert this code to a manually created singly linked list. Let's check what it gives us. So here's the code ChatGPT generated after 1 or 2 minutes. It's a bit lengthy code, but it's a manually created singly linked list. I'm going to copy this code and check. First of all, I'm going to see this program's output. You can see that we are first adding these elements and then removing those, printing the last element, which is here. Now let's paste that code here which ChatGPT generated. I'm going to paste it here. Okay, now let's run the program and see if this program gives us the same result. It's not giving the same result because of the statements ChatGPT changed here. It's adding these results here and then printing the list. After that, it's just removing B and D. We can see there we don't have B and D here, and then printing the single linked list here with the rest of the elements left here. So in this way, you can ask ChatGPT to convert your code to a optimized solution of your problem. You can also ask ChatGPT to convert your code to a lesser time complexity, and also ask ChatGPT to apply any sorting technique from bubble sort to a lesser time complexity technique, which is merge sort. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about how you can debug your Java code using ChatGPT. So subscribe to this channel now and click the bell icon so you will be notified when I publish the video. Thank you guys for watching.